So first question was on, I would say, deduction from expansion. There are about 9 to 10 types of question.
Yeah.
In this chapter, maybe 8, 9 types of, maybe 7, 8 types of questions. Okay.
Yep.
So first, deduction from expansion means 2x plus 1 over x square to the power of 5, or say 2x square plus 3x plus 5 to the power of 9. So just expand these type of questions. Second type of question was like 96 to the power of 6. Just find out the value of this, or 104 to the power of 9. So we'll write it 100 minus 4 and or 100 plus 4, something like that. Okay.
Yeah.
Third type of question was divisibility, like 8 the power n. Let's see that. Okay. Prove that 3 to the power of 3n. Prove or check whether 3 to the power of 3n minus 26n minus 1 is divisible by 676. Okay.
Yeah.
So how we did this question was, I wrote 3 to the power 3 as 26. So 3 to the power 3 as 27. So 27 to the power of n. So I wrote 1 plus 26 to the power of n minus this minus 1. Correct?
Yeah.
So these are the first two terms. So first two terms will get cancelled. So if you write from the third term onwards, you will get 26 square, 26 cube, 26 to the power of 4. So 26. So you can take 26 square common. So that means it is divisible by 676. 26 square is nothing but 676. Are you getting what I'm saying?
Yeah, 1 second. Let me just make a note of the thing before. 1 second.
Are you understanding? We have done this question, right?
Can you just repeat again, please?
Okay, fourth type of question was 1.1 to the power of 1000. Again, so we will do this for 1000. Which one is greater? So how you will do this? Any idea?
Which one's greater? So I think it'll be
no thinking.
Alright.
What is the method? How we do? Just using binomial.
I think you have to rewrite that 1.1 into.
Yes, perfect. 1 plus 0.1.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all. Okay.
Yeah.
So then you will expand 1 plus 0.1 to the power of 10,000, and after expanding, you will see that just the first two terms are 1. If you add the first two terms, it will be 1001. So
Yeah.
just first two terms are 1001. If you add other terms, it will become very, very big number. So that of course the first number is bigger. Okay.
Yep.
These are the fourth, and the fifth type of question we have done is 11th term from n.
Yeah, that we just did now. Yeah, something like that.
Why it's not coming? So it's 2x minus 1 over x square to the power of 25. So you will do 25 minus 11 plus 2, correct?
Yeah.
So you will get maybe 14 plus 2, 16th term from beginning. So you can just find out 16 term from beginning. 25 minus 11 plus 2 is 16. Okay.
Yeah.
25c 15. 16th term will be 25c 15 to x to the power something like 10 minus 1 by x squared to the power 15. Okay.
Yeah.
Term from 7 term from the end. Okay. Have you copied?
No. Yeah, copied, yeah.
Middle term, greatest term, and prove that type of questions. So go to the next. I can delete also. 6. So the 6th type of question is find the coefficient of x to the power 10 in 2x minus 1 over x square to the power of 15. Can you tell me how we'll do this question?
Find the coefficient of, is that k to power 10 in that?
X to the power 10.
So what we do is using the NCR thing on my calculator, so put 10 in, no, put 15 in. So then I can get the 10th coefficient.
Which term do we have to find? Can you tell me which term?
Yeah, so find the that is the.
It's not so easy.
Yeah,
so we'll just write the. I will tell you how to do that question. Okay. Okay. Just one second. So find the middle term in expansion. Okay. In expansion, this one x plus 2 to the power of say Can you tell me how we'll do them? Find out the middle term. How many terms will it have?
16. So near front of the 8 term.
It will have 16 terms, right?
Yeah, yeah. So I need to find out the middle.
So, okay. So, okay, we'll do this question and find the greatest term. See, there are two different meanings. Greatest coefficient. This may not be in your textbook, but these both seventh question will be there in your textbook. Eighth question may not be there, but eighth and seventh are same. It's just different way of writing. The greatest coefficient will always be the middle coefficient, middle term coefficient.
Yeah.
Okay. Of course, in the seventh question, you have to write the complete answer. Like let's say 15C, maybe it has 16 terms, right? So 8 and 9 term will be the middle term. So 15C 7 and 15C 8. So, but you don't write only this much. You write 15C 7 x the power 8 to the power 7, 15C 8 x the power 7 to the power 7, something like that. So you write the whole thing in the seventh question, but in the eighth question you will write only the coefficient because it is asking you the coefficient. So 15C the eighth and ninth term. So 15C 7 and 15C 8. Understood? The difference between the seventh question and the eighth. In seventh question, it is asking you find the term. Term means the whole term. And in the eighth question, it is asking you the coefficient. Coefficient means only this much.
Yeah.
Okay, the term attached to. Okay, this is also wrong. Sorry. So not only this much. To the power of 8 and to the power of 7.
Yeah.
So coefficient means everything except x. Everything except the x, the variable. Okay, so we'll do this type of question also. And the ninth type of question we'll do is the if we get time. This is may not be in your textbook definitely, but I can tell you this one. I'll tell you the formula. Greatest term.
Yeah.
What is the meaning of greatest term?
It'll be the highest power.
I mean, the highest, biggest number.
Yeah.
There are different terms. What is the biggest number? Okay.
Yeah.
This one. And there's one more question on proving. How can I say? This is a bit tough question. They have given you T3 is 8. Let's say if we have time, we'll do this one. T3 is A, T4 is B. Okay.
Yeah.
T5 is C, and T6 is D. So prove this is 3. Okay. Here, this third. T3, T4, T5, T6. So prove. I think there's some problem in the. Maybe I'll just change the name of the pen in the brick. So prove that B square minus AC over C square minus BD equals to 5A over 3C. So this is a bit of question. It looks like tough. It's not so tough. So these are the types of question. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's all. There are 10 types of questions. Okay. Now, okay, we have completed 5. So 5 types are remaining. So now we have 15 minutes. So we will do 6th and 7th type, and then next, if 7th type if possible. And in the next class, which is at 9 o'clock, we will do 7th, 8th, and we'll try to complete the chapter. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll go to the type 6. Okay. Shall I delete?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, yeah.
Oh my god.
I'm done. Yeah, I'm done. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Will you give me just a few seconds? I will change the name of the pen. Yes. Just 5 seconds. Okay, done. Yeah. So let me see. Is it better now? I think it's because of the recording. He told me to record, so the speed has become slow. Maybe because of the recording. Maybe. Anyways, so question is find the coefficient of x power 10 in the expansion of. I'm really fed up with this recording. I would like to switch it off. I think. So, okay. Okay. So, okay, I'll save it later. So, okay. That's better. So, in the expansion of 2x square minus 1 by x to the power of 20. Okay.
Yeah.
So, okay, let's first understand the concept. Let's say, if I go to the next page, let's say if it was 3 plus x to the power of 20. Tell me which term will have x to the power 12. Can you tell me which term will have x to the power 12?
So which term of the one second. I'll just work out the question on my paper first, and then I'll. So.
No, just by seeing the question.
Oh, yeah. So 21 terms altogether. So x to the power 12. That'll be the 1 minute.
The 13th term will be x to the power 12.
Yeah.
So you should always remember.
I'm still trying to get used to this new method because we haven't been taught this yet.
Like TR plus 1. The formula for TR plus 1 is NCR.
Yeah.
X to the power n minus r.
Yeah.
A to the power r. So whatever is written here and whatever is written here, there's a difference of 1. Like if it is 21, it is 20. If it is 30, it is 29. If it is 15, it is 14. Okay.
Right.
So if it is 13, you can see here it's 13. So it's 12.
That'll be 12. All right.
it will be 12. 3 to the power 20 minus 12, 8, and x the power 12. So in the question they said which term will be x the power 12. So whichever term will be x the power 12, the 12 should be here. And if 12 is here, then it should be the 13th term. Understood?
Yeah.
So this is true only when x is the second term of the binomial coefficient. Okay.
Yeah.
But what about that is okay. But what about if we have such a complex question? So in this type of question, we cannot tell orally, oh,
No.
this term will have x the power 10. So how we'll do? We'll just write first the general term of this question. What is general term formula?
The
NCR.
NCR x to the power of n minus a to the power of
Okay, I'll just start directly because if I write NCR, you'll get confused. So because we cannot write x, we means first term to the power n minus r,
Yeah.
and second term to the power of r. So 20c r first term to the power of 20 minus r, okay, and second term to the power of r. Clear?
Yeah.
Now see, my concept is that I will take the x term together. 20cr. I will take this 2 to the power of, I'll take this minus 1 first. Minus 1 to the power of r.
Yeah.
Did you understand? I took this last minus outside. And then 2 to the power of 20 minus r. I took this outside. This one.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Now I'm remaining with the x terms. So x to the power of, sorry, x to the power of, I will write all the powers. What will be x power 2 to the power 2 into 20 minus r?
Yeah.
Minus r. Why
Yeah.
minus?
Yeah, because you
Because
always
it's in the denominator.
yeah.
So we have to find the, first let me complete this. 20 cr minus 1 to the power of r, 2 to the power of 20 minus r, and x to the power of 40 minus 2r minus r, 40 minus 3r. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is a general term of this question. General term means whichever term we want, we can find out by putting in this formula. I have just simplified it. Okay.
Yeah.
Now the question says he wants x to the power 10. He wants 10 in the power of x. So I will equate this to 10. Understanding?
Yeah.
So 40 minus 3r equals to 10. So if I want this 10, what should be the value of r? Let me calculate. 40 minus 10. I will take 3r that side and I will take 10 this side. So 3r equals to 30. R equals to 10. So if I put the value of r as 10, I
Yeah.
will get x the power 10. Correct?
Yep.
So if I put r as 10 means this thing will become 11. So
Yeah.
11th term will be having that, but I don't want to, the question is not asking for which term. Question is asking just tell me the coefficient.
Yeah.
Coefficient means it is asking for this thing, this orange color thing. Okay, I'll just put r equals to 10 in there here. Okay.
Yeah.
So 20c 10 minus 25 10. Okay, let me delete this. So t, I will just put r as 10. Okay.
Yep.
R equals to 10. So that means that will be 11th term. And if I put r as 10, I get 20c10 minus 1 to the power of 10.
Yeah.
2 to the power of 20. Let me see, what was that? 2 to the power of 20 minus 10. To the power of 20 minus 10.
Yeah.
X the power of 10. This is the whole term, and it's asking for coefficient. So coefficient will be, I'll just remove the x part. So 20c10 minus 1 to the power of 10. It will be 1, right?
Yeah.
Meaning 2 to the power of 20 minus 10 is 10. So 20c10 to the power of 10. So this is the answer.
Yeah.
You can find out the value of 20c10 from calculator, and then 2 to the power 10. And if you want, you can find out the exact answer. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So you can copy. Have you copied?
No, but I'll do that.
So shall I paraphrase the whole question? Question was find out the expansion of x to the power 10 in this. So first step we did was we wrote the general term, we solved it, simplified it, and we got this. And then we want x to the power 10. So I substituted the power of x as equal to 10. 40 minus 3r equals to 10. I got the value of r as 10. So I understood it's 11th term. And in the same form is in the same this one. Let me make the box in the same formula, the simplified one.
Yeah.
In the same formula, I just put r equals to 10. So I got 11th term is equal to such and such, and the coefficient equals to such and such.
Yeah. Okay, you just go to the next page. Yeah, I've already done that page. She just going to.
Okay, so I'll delete this one, or let it be there. Okay. I'll quickly write the question. So here's a question. Would you like to do this question?
Maybe soon.
So you can see the question and decide whether you would like to do this question.
So
yeah. So I hope you like to do the question.
let me see. Find the coefficient.
So you can okay, go through the previous question. So I did not delete it. So that if you want, yeah. So what will be the first step?
Oh, 1 minute. Find the coefficient of x to the power 7 and the expansion of x minus 1 over x squared. So, so the TR plus 1, that's equal to 40 CR. Then the first term, which is x to the power of 40 minus. Wait 1 sec. One sec.
So first you write the general term, right? First step is to write the general term. 40c r plus 1 equals to, write it down.
Yeah, over here.
You can write on the screen.
Oh no, I can't write on the screen.
Why?
No, I mean I can, but it's really hard for me to because I only have my trackpad.
Okay. Okay. Can you tell me? I will write down whatever you're writing.
The R plus 1.
TR plus 1.
Yeah, is equal to 40C bracket.
40 CR.
Yeah, CR, yeah. bracket. X to the power of 40 minus X. Yeah?
X minus R.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Multiply that by minus 1 over X squared to the power of R.
Perfect. Pretty good.
So
Next.
the next step is
40 CR.
yeah.
We will take X terms together.
Yeah.
Remaining, what will remain in the beginning?
So minus X over X squared.
First of all, 40 CR minus 1 to the power R. We'll take in the beginning. Now X to the power of 40 minus R.
Yeah.
And what will be this?
Times Y.
So what I should write?
Plus R.
No.
Minus
2R. This minus has nothing to do with the X.
Yeah. How is it minus 2 other?
Okay.
I didn't get where the second came from.
Okay. Maybe you can increase one step. I wrote it little directly. So minus, can I write it as this one? Can I write this as X the power minus 2R?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
And can I write this as minus 1 to the power of sorry. So this will be X the power minus 2R, and minus 1 to the power R I have already taken like that. Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, so this yes, this is the thing. So minus 1 to the power R, if I take outside, it is X the power minus 2R.
Yeah.
So now you understood?
Yeah.
So it will become 40 minus 3R again.
Yeah.
It's almost, is it the same question?
Yeah, it is the same question, yeah.
No, it is a different question. It's a different question, but luckily I think we got this, I think the same value, power of X. So 40 minus 3R equals to 7. Correct?
Yeah.
So you can write in the next step, you can write this as 40 minus 3R. And 40 minus 3R equals to 7. So you get the value of, calculate the value of R. And just
Just give me 1 minute.
the time is up, but since we started late, so we can take 5 minutes extra. That's fine, right?
After the other subject.
Oh, you have another subject class back to back?
No, I just have lots of homework. That's it. Just different subjects.
Okay, so shall I give you this as homework?
Yeah,
And,
I'll actually do it. Yeah.
So I'll give you this as homework, and we'll meet in the next class. You can show me at 9 o'clock.
So is that in 2 hours, is it? Or is it 1 hour?
1.5 hours. So
because my time is 2 o'clock now.
So after 1.5 hours, we have next class.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay then. So, but do this, at least do this question. Only half question is homework, not full question.
Okay. I'll try to.
Okay.
A bit. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Sure. Okay.
Goodbye. Yeah.
Okay. Take care.
Goodbye. Yeah.
Okay. See you again.